Okay, now decorate your cupcake. Decorate your cupcake. Stella, put the butterflies on your cupcake. Just drop them. Oh, Stella. Just drop them on there. You need a bath. Stella, you're just supposed to go like this.
No, that's mine.
I know. You're just supposed to go like this. Ready? Watch mommy. Okay? Watch mommy. All done.
I want to do it.
Okay, do that. Just drop it on there. You are a crazy kid. Alright, I guess that's still a 2-year-old's version of decorating cupcakes.